me kochake, 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 kochake. Tinye ya n'okpuru oche. Aga m eme kochake, kochake. Aga m eme kochake, kochake. Tinye ya n'okpuru ute. Mba, aga m eme kochake, 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 kochake. Anyị ga-agụkwa ya ọzọ. Kaba na-arụ, I am talking, ana m ekwu okwu. Kaba na-arụ ka unu fụ na unu mepere ọnụ ka unu gụọ camp anthem. 1, 2, 3, bido. Obere ihe nke aga m eme kochake, kochake. Kochake, obere ihe nke aga m eme kochake, 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 kochake. Tinye ya n'okpuru oche, tinye ya n'okpuru oche. Aga m eme kochake, kochake. Tinye ya n'okpuru akwa. Aga m eme kochake, kochake. Tinye ya n'okpuru ute. Mba, aga m eme kochake, 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 kochake. Ọrụ n'onwe n'aka. Anyị na-ekene ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị niile na-asị ka onye nwe anyị gọzie unu ncha n'afọ Jizọs. I will still separate you from that seat. I'm saying it for the second time. As at the third time, I take the action. Good. Ana m ekene ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị niile na-asị ka onye nwe anyị gọzie anyị n'afọ Jizọs. I'm bringing greetings to all our students and I say God bless you all. In Jesus' name. Ọ dị egwu. N'egbughị oge, anyị na-akpọgote onye nkụzi anyị. We are calling up on our teacher who is going to handle our session this morning. She is no other person than onye nkụzi Oriakụ Stella. Kọọlụ na aka. Ka anyị sị na nnọọ. Let's tell her no. No means welcome. Can I sing her no?
Please, I want us to cooperate, okay? Uncle. Hola, baby. Hola. Oh? I know that class, okay? So no sleeping. No. Give me one no. Welcome. I still can't say no, no. They put it actually poku. Say no, no. Na man poku. Dalo. Eh, I went tata bogene. Pronoun. Call you when you keep me hand up pronoun in Igbo. What is pronoun in Igbo? Eh? What is name in Igbo? Name. What? Okay. No, chia, biko kora no ihe ọmaka. Call no ifomaka. My name is. Nsekwano akuna mano clap for him or her, okay? So no chia, pronoun begin no chia. No side talks while I'm teaching. Ogochukwu. Please. All right. So if I'm going to have nochiaha, pronoun begin nochiaha. Nochi simply means to replace. In English, we are told that pronoun is a word that we use in replacing a name, isn't it? So nochiaha means something that is replacing a name. Aha simply means what? Name. Aha is a name. That's why when you want to say, my name is, you say, aha mo bo. Aha mo bo. Okay. So I nwere ụdị nnọchiaha dị iche iche. We are going to take those ones that we use every day in our daily communication, okay? Can we open to the page where we have it? Can you see it? Pronoun drills. Open it. Pronoun drills. And make sure you have your writing materials, because apart from what is in your book, I'm also going to bring in one or two things that will help you to remember them, okay? You've not seen it. Where is your manual? Is Igbo? You have Igbo, you have English there is translated. So pay attention, okay? Pay attention. And when I have first person pronoun in Igbo. No side talk, no side talk, no talking. Okay. So when you are involved as an individual, just you, we have I, me, mine, isn't it? When you are talking about yourself, either you can use I, you can use me, you can also use mine. Well, those are the things we call first person singular pronoun. And in Igbo, all of them are what? Mu. You can just write M, or you can write MU. Okay? Mu. Aha mobu. You can write it down, man. So that's why you are learning. Okay. Aha mobu means what? My name. But in Igbo structure, our sentence, you can see in English, my came first. Why in Igbo, it came second. So aha mobu. My name is. Then I is also mu. Me is mu. So let's look at, give me a sentence, or give me a sentence in English that has either my, me, or I. My dog is fat, okay? I have a Bugatti. Zara, you were saying something. Beautiful. Sophia and me ran to the park. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let me have you were lost. All right, you welcome back. Welcome back. So all we have just said, Ogochukwu said, I have a big dog. Enwere m nkịta buru ibu. Enwere m nkịta buru ibu. Okay. Then Zara said, Sophia and me ran. Okay, Muna, Sophia, but also you can see we keep using mo, isn't it? So look at the first sentence. Can you look at the first sentence in your manual? Look at the first sentence. Ahurum ginanya. Ahurum ginanya. Who can translate it for us? Who can tell us what it is? Who can translate that sentence for us in English? Ahurum ginanya. Hey. Yeah, that's serious. So none of you can translate that simple sentence. No? Ahurum ginanya. Ahurum ginanya. The first number one. No? Okay, Siri. Hey, Chineke go. Informer. No? Ahurum ginanya. Who can try? I love you. I love you. Ahurum ginanya means what? I love you. So you have your manual that you can translate. No, there is no ahia there. Ahurum ginanya. Ahurum ginanya. The pronoun there is what? And ahurum ginanya. Although it's not supposed, that's the mu there. Immediately after ahuru, you see mu. I love you. So when you write this, your manual.
Yes.
Okay, you can. And they're taking it. They are going with it. Okay, so by the side you can translate. I love you. Ahurum gị n'anya love it means that. So when you get home, hey, translate it. When you get home, the first thing you say to mommy or dad is what? Nne m ahurum gị n'anya. That way they know that you actually went to Igbo camp.
So you're telling me that I love you, 3 words. Simply to what you
This is it. And you can feel us. That's why we are Igbos. Okay? We are special. We are not exaggerating. All right. So the second one, are we listening? The second one says what? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. If you know, you raise your. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. Dalo Jare. I want to drink water. I'm coming back to them now. Uncle, can you drop? Are we part of this class? Okay. Can we move the table? I want to be seeing our faces. Where I have the big man with his yago. Okay, what did we say? How did we translate the number one sentence? You, Jesus Christ. Hey. Maazị Okeze, ụmụ gị ha mepebere ha mmadụ ebe anọ. Anyị na-akọrọ onwe anyị. Hey. Oh yeah, imepe gị. Ka m fụ nke gị, mepe. Beautiful. Mepe. Mee ebe a. Kedu ihe anyị si na nke izi bụ number one? How did we translate number one? I love you. Beautiful. The second one is what? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Beautiful. Just translate it by the side. Translate it so that you know the meaning. Who can tell me the number one? What's the pronoun there? The pronoun in number one is what? No. Mu. Yes. That's ordinarily that ahoro supposed to be one word.
So you can circle it or underline it.
Just that's the pronoun there. That's what we are trying to learn. And there is another pronoun in number one. Who can give fantastic? Give, and give is what? You. I love you. So there is a second pronoun there. You is what? Give. Ana m agwa gị. I am talking to you. On kegi, it is your own. So that is a. Mu means I, me, and my. That's first person pronoun singular. That's what it means. You are talking about yourself. Okay? I, me, and my. M-Y. Even mine. M-I-N-E. As long as it's about you. Is mo. So underline or circle mo and then gi. And know that mo is what? I. And gi is what? You. Then number two, who can tell us the pronoun there? From this table. Okay. Beautiful. I want to drink water, which is still I. Then number three, ha chọrọ iri nri ha. Ha chọrọ iri nri ha. They want to eat their food. Beautiful. They want to eat their food. They is ha, which is the third person pronoun, plural. Ha, and the last ha there, underline the two. They want to eat their food. They want to eat their food. They want to eat their food. Underline ha, the two ha there. When we are done, we close our books, everybody, and I will say the sentences in English. You repeat them in Igbo. So make sure you are paying attention. They want to eat their food. Number four, are we through with that? Number three. Eriri m nri m n'oge mgbede. Eriri m ya n'oge mgbede. Eriri m ya n'oge mgbede. Mu, there is a pronoun. Ya is also a pronoun. But in this place, it is referring to food or something that is ya. I ate I ate it in the evening. I ate it in the evening time. So whatever the eat is could mean the food, fruit, snack, or whatever, but they use a pronoun. Eriri m ya n'oge mgbede. I ate it in the evening time. I ate it in the evening time. Mgbede is what? Evening. Mgbede ọma, good evening, isn't it? Eriri m ya n'oge mgbede. Underline ya and underline mu. Translate it. I ate it in the evening time. Ya is it. 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 That's a pronoun. O nyere ya ego ya, he gave her or him his money. So ya is it, he. Okay. Are we good? Are we good? Should I proceed? Or ngawani right? I didn't check it. Okay. Is he writing well? Is it not better keep it on the table? That's why you have your table so that you won't. Okay. Or ngawani. Okay. Zara, are you with us? All right, beautiful. Number 5. Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. Who can try to translate this for us? Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. Okay, Zara. Zara, so you like Eba now? Mu is what? You and I came to that place. You and I came to that place. In English, you, which is G, came first. Mu came second. You and I came to that place. Mu na gi bịara ebe ahụ. That number 4 is I ate it in the evening time. I ate it. They didn't tell us. Eat. IT. That's a pronoun. That's what we are dealing with now. So number 5 said, Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. You and I came to that place. You and I, underline mu and underline gi. Are we together? Those in duplex. The young men in the duplex. Are we together? Okay, beautiful. Don't disturb him now. Okay? Oh, yeah. Those of us in the boys' quarter. Okay, nobody is in the boys' quarter. We're in duplex, men building. Okay, see the boys' quarter this side. All right. Are we together? Should I continue? Ongawaniru. Okay. Number 6. Edesaram ya ebe ahụ. You are not done with Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. You and I came to that place. Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. Underline mu and underline gị. Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. Make sure you are paying attention. Maka na mma ajụ na ajụjụ ma emecha. Ị ga-emechi akwụkwọ gị wee zaa m ya. Ya wee mara ndị ga-eje egwu mmiri tata. Na ndị ga-eme ihe a na-eme. Okay? Gawa n'iru. Gawa n'iru. Should I move on? That's what it. The 5 is still hanging. Can you hear Melody?
I don't remember what you said.
Mụ na gị bịara ebe ahụ. You and I came to that place. You and I came to that place. You and I came to that place. Number 4 says, Eriri m ya n'oge mgbede. I ate it in the evening. Eat as in IT. He ate something. He didn't tell us what he ate. Okay? I ate it in the evening time. So we don't know what he ate. Nwere ike bụrụ na o liri ọkpa. Nwere ike bụrụ na abacha ka o liri. Number 6, that's where we are going to. Edesara m ya ebe ahụ. Edesara m ya ebe ahụ. But if we use what is there, idesara ya ebe ahụ, put question mark at the end of that number 6. It's a question. Idesara ya ebe ahụ. Put question mark at the end of number 6. Idesara ya ebe ahụ. Did you keep it that place? Did you keep it that place? It's a question. So put question mark at the end of tinye akara ajụjụ. Question mark is what? Akara ajụjụ. Ajụjụ is question. Akara is the mark, okay? Akara ajụjụ. Beautiful. Akara ajụjụ. Ị desara ya ebe ahụ. Did you keep it in that place? And make sure you end your question with a question mark. Would have missed them so that they can get, when they are lost, they can pick information from the older ones. That class captain, Amam the class captain, you're supposed to be looking out for the younger ones. Is that not your duty?
Problem, my problem.
Okay, can we move on? It's okay. Ozugo. I know now. So number 7, can you help? Number 6 again. In the Sereya Ebaho. Did you keep it that place? Did you keep it that place? Maybe you were instructed to keep something. Yeah, mommy is now asking you in the Sereya Ebaho. Did you keep what I asked you to keep that place? Okay? That's number 6. Then number 7 answers number 6 question. Ede Saramia Ebaho. I kept it that place. Okay, can on number 6. Okay, I'm number 6 or number 7. Number 6, did you keep it that place? In the Sereya Ebaho, and I asked you to put question mark at the end of that akara ajụjụ, at the end of that number 6 question. In your akara ajụjụ, that is question mark. Ọ na-agakwa? Ọ bụ na ọ na-aga, if he's moving, si ma ọ na-aga. Ọ na-agakwa? Ọ na-aga. Ọ na-agakwa? Ọ na-aga. Ọ bụkwanụ na ọ nara aga, isi m. Ọ na-anabakwa? Is he Okay. Okay, number 7. That means the answer to number 6 is number 7. I kept it that place. So there is no question mark in number 7. The number 6 asked a question and you responded by saying, yes, I kept it that place. Okay? Okay, now what? Yes, I kept it that place. At the Sarabia Ebaho. Is yes. Yes, I kept it that place. Okay. At the Sarabia Ebaho. Okay. Number 8. No. Couldn't
I say number 7 again.
No, couldn't oh. Number 7, I said, is the answer to number 6 question. Did you keep it that place? In the Sereya Ebaho. Number 7 now replies, the Saramia Ebaho. That means, yes, I kept it that place. That is what it means. Chris, you are still in number 4. Huh? Number 7, yes, I kept it that place. Yes, I kept it that place. Ime mkpọtụ ọzọ. Number 8, gaa were nri gị n'ime usekwu. That ga, G-A, double the A, put another A at the back so that you know that you stretch that vowel. Ga, that's double A, ga. Ga were nri gị n'ime usekwu. Go and take your food in the kitchen. Ga were nri gị n'ime usekwu. Go and take your food in the kitchen. Underline gị. Each person will give us at least not less than 2 examples of pronoun at this end of this exercise and give me two sentences in Igbo using pronouns. So start preparing your mind. I don't want what we have here. We already have our own examples there. So you give me yours. Yes. That's the idea now. Are we not learning? Yes, sweetie. I know that brain is on fire. So you can do it. Every brain here is on fire. Okay, so did we get it? Number 8, gaa were nri gị n'ime usekwu, and that name is supposed to be end with apostrophe ibe. Okay, gaa were nri gị n'ime usekwu. Go and take your food in the kitchen. Usekwu is what? Kitchen. What did I say? Usekwu is a kitchen. Okay, nri is what? Food. Go and take your food. So what is the pronoun there? What is the pronoun in that sentence? Give beautiful. Number 8. Are we together? You are playing, and I'm painting your paper. Okay. Number 9. Number 8. Go and take your food in the kitchen. Okay. Number 9. Ọ gwara gị mere ya ọsịsọ. Ọ gwara gị mee ya ọsịsọ. Ọ gwara gị mee ya ọsịsọ. We have 3 pronouns in that sentence. Fantastic. Kwara na Ogochukwu aka. Ọ gwara ya mee ya ọsịsọ. He told her. It could be a kitchen, not kitchen. Kitchen. She told her to be fast. She told her to be fast. Ọ gwara ya mee ya ọsịsọ. She told her to be fast. Ọ gwara ya mee ya ọsịsọ. Sorry. Number 10. Are we together? Okay. Ọ na-adabakwa? Mba. So number 9. Ọ gwara gị mee ya ọsịsọ. He told you to do it fast. He told you to do it fast. To be fast about it. Ọ gwara ya gị mee ya ọsịsọ. He told you to do it fast. So let's hurry round up. Nye ya ihe ya. Nye ya. Okay, 10. Okay, we are stopping at number 10. Nye ya ihe ya. Give her or give him her, his or her thing. Nye ya ihe ya. Number 10. Nye ya ihe ya. Give her her thing or give him his thing. Number what? Which of them? Number what? Number 9. Ọ gwara gị mee ya ọsịsọ. He or she asks you to do it fast. He or she asks you to do it fast. To be fast, do it fast. Mee ya ọsịsọ, do it fast. Then nye ya ihe ya. Give her her thing. Okay, can we? Achọrọ m, ị nwere ajụjụ? Do you have question? Ị nwere ajụjụ? Ịjụkwa ịjụ m ajụjụ njụa gị. If you don't ask me, I will ask. So now I want you to ask questions, okay? I'm going to take as much questions as. And when somebody is asking questions, pay attention so that you also benefit. If you are talking while somebody is asking questions, you will answer the question. Okay? Number 10, give her her thing or give him his thing. Any of them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Number 9, he asks you to do it fast. He asks you to do it fast. Now I am asking questions. Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Who has question? Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? You raise your hand up. Okay, you've gotten it. Okay. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Any question for me? Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Huh? From the headquarters, any question? Nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Huh? Nwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
Give her, I'm not understanding ihe ya.
Nye ya ihe ya. Give her her thing. Or you can also say, give him his thing. It can be whether he or
Shut up.
your head. You understand it now? All right. Ndị nọ na duplex, nwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
I said, give her his or her.
Yeah, beautiful. Okay. From the duplex, any question, nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? is what we are doing now. Have you not been listening? Okay, from this side, the state capital, do you have question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's my turn to ask question. I beg you to ask. You don't want to ask. Now it's my turn to ask a question. Close your book. Mechie akwụkwọ gị. Mechie akwụkwọ gị. Close your book. Mechie akwụkwọ gị. Let us see whether we are listening. Mechie akwụkwọ gị. Can each person stand and give me one pronoun in Igbo? Nye m otu nnọchiaha na asụsụ Igbo. Okay, let's start. Give beautiful. We have other words now. Huru is not a pronoun.
No.
More beautiful. Ah, you fantastic. Okay. Yeah, fantastic. More, okay. Okay, apart from her, lovely. We also have Anyi. I love what Chris answered, the one that we have not even touched. Anyi means we, us, our. Ụlọ anyị, our house. Anyị na-echu mmiri, we are fetching water. Ụlọ anyị mara mma, our house is big. Anyị gbara egwu, we danced, okay? All right. We also have unu. Unu is second person pronoun, but plural. So we also use them, but let's deal with the ones we have learned today, okay? Can I have other examples? Okay, now I want sentences using pronoun. Close your books. I will, okay, now. And then I can now come up with something. Oh, riri ya n'ogo tutukwara ni aka. He ate his food or she ate her food in the morning time. Fantastic. Okay, Ogochukwu. I don't want the one that is in the book. Oh, try to try to make your own. Okay. Huh? Borom ha, call them for me. Borom ha, kwara ni aka. Nice one. Enwere m otu ụgbọelu. I have one aeroplane. Fantastic. Can we have other ones from this side? Biko nye m mmiri. Please give me water. Can I have example here?
Example.
Give us a sentence. Nye anyị ahịrịokwu na Igbo.
Biko wetere m mmiri.
Biko wetere m mmiri. Please give me water. Okay, ma'am. Gị ka m ogologo. You are taller than me. Fantastic. Lovely. I love that. Okay, from this table, we didn't get any example. Ndị nọ na headquarter Ngwakọ State House. We didn't have any. Huh? Okay, efere. No. Okay, eriri m nri dị na efere. I ate the food that is in the plate. I ate the food that is in the plate. Eriri m nri dị na efere. Fantastic. Okay, can I have one more example from this side? Huh? Can you try? Let me have. Okay. You try. Kwara na ọnwụ n'aka. Kwara na ọnwụ n'aka. Okay. So I know that when we at least henceforth we can try to make sentences. Okay. In Igbo they are very simple. They are not that difficult. They are not. It's our language. We are proud of it. The best language in the whole world. Yeah. Any day, anytime. Yes. You can feel me. Igbo language is the best language in the whole world. Yeah. We are proud of it. Okay. I'm going to give us one or two. I na-eche maazị Okezie. Mgbe ọ ga-ejupụta ka anyị na-eme, I will be giving you some other examples, okay? And then you translate it. Can you listen? Ị nwere ike ige ntị? Okay. Ụlọ anyị mara mma. Ụlọ anyị mara mma. Who can tell me what that means in English? Ụlọ anyị mara mma. Ulani Marama. What does it mean in English? Who can help us translate? Okay. Our house is beautiful. Our house is beautiful, fantastic. Inurihoku. Inurihoku. Did you hear what he said? Ulani Marama. Our house is beautiful. So if you want to, what is mother in Igbo? Can you hear mother in Igbo? No, Nna is father. Nne is mother, Nna is father. Beautiful, got it. So if I want to say my mother is beautiful, how will I say it? If you know, you raise your hand. If I want to say my mother is beautiful, how will I say it? My mother is beautiful. How will I say Okay. Nne m mara mma, fantastic. Kwara na Ifeoma Academy. Nne m mara mma, my mother is beautiful. Una adigo njikere ka. Okay, ngwa. Ka onye na-abịa nọ, Maazị Okezi, ọ gị na-abịa ka nwunye maazị? Nwunye maazị. Ị dịgo njikere? Okay. Ngwa ka anyị kụọra nna anyị ukwu bụ nwunye maazị a ka ọ na-abịa ịkụziri anyị ihe n'otu a. Kụọ n'aka, kụọ n'akwụkwọ aka ebe a.
So kemgbe anyị ji bịa Igbo sọ maka unu na-asụ asụsụ bekee, oge erugo mgbe anyị ga-eji kụziere unu ka unu ga-esi na-asụ asụsụ Igbo. Ịsụ asụsụ Igbo dị mfe. It's easy to speak Igbo language. Ugbu a ka anyị ga-enyere unu aka. Ugbu a ka anyị ga-enyere unu aka ka unu wee fụ na asụsụ Igbo dị mfe. When they say something dị mfe, it means it's easy. Na-aghọta? So to speak Igbo language is very easy. Ọ dị mfe. Today we're going to start with the pronouns. Okay? It's just like ihe niile ntị nọ na-akụziri unu ebe a. Nkụzi unu pronouns, kụzi unu nouns. Nkụzi unu pronouns, kụzi unu verbs. Nouns adịla n'ime akwụkwọ a. Unu ga-amụta ya. Ngwa. Tata anyị ga-ebido na nnọchi aha, pronouns. Nnọchi aha. No, don't speak English now. Say, ọ ka anyị detuo ya n'akwụkwọ. Ọ ka anyị detuo ya. Detuo ya. Ọ ka anyị detuo ya n'akwụkwọ. Detuo ya. Nnọchi aha. And nnọchi aha pụtara pronouns. So, but I'm not going to write it. So, nnọchi aha pụtara gịnị? Ngwa, detuo nnọchi aha. Na-edetugo ya. Na nke ọ bụla ide, isi edechala m. If you are Anambra or Enugu, you say edechago m. Inu ihe kwuru? Chizaram, kedu akwụkwọ gị? Isi na onye ka ị na-asụrụ bekee? Chizaram, gaa chọọ akwụkwọ gị. Ọsịsọ, ọsịsọ. Auntie Love abịa ita. Chide. What have we written in this camp? Gịnị ka anyị dị na camp a kịta pen dị agwụ? Chizaram, kedu akwụkwọ gị? Akwụkwọ gị. Akwụkwọ, kedu ya? Gaa weta ya. Ọsịsọ. Mee ọsịsọ. So nnọchi aha. Nke izizi or nke mbụ. Izizi or mbụ is first. Nke izizi. I. Gịnị bụ I n'Igbo? I. Mụ is me. Mụ bụ me. I bụ a. I bụ a ma ọ bụ e. Dịka anyị si, kedu? Isi, dị m mma. I bụ a or e. And then ị chọrọ ikwu I have. I have. Nwere m. Nwere m. Ngwa ka anyị detuo. Dị m. Isi? Okezie. Dedo Okezie chu biko si ha na anyị chọkwa maka ka anyị na-agatu. Adị m mma. Ngwa kedu mkpịsị ode gị? Mkpịsị ode kedu ya? Mkpịsị ode kedu ya? Nwa ọma Tegeme Akachukwu biko binye. Bute oche ahụ dobe ebe a. Kpuke means chief. Kpuke. Butere ya oche ebe a. Onye nwe ihe ndị a wepụ ya. Chizara m ngwa. Dobere ya oche. Ngwa. Dobe. Ngwazara nọrọ ọdụ. Nọrọ ọdụ. Anyị ga-achọta maka. Dedo Okezie. Aka enwe ebe maka na-adị na ngwongwo anyị. Ọ bụghị ọsọsọ nke a ka anyị nwere. Gaa chọọ afọ ka eje gote ọsịsọ. Eje gote ọsịsọ. Si ha afụghọ maka ha ji egote. So ịmaatụ bụ example. Ịmaatụ adị m mma. Gịnị bụ adị m mma? Ngwa detuo. Gịnị bụ I am fine n'Igbo? Mmadụ wee sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Ọ bụ ọzọkwa ọ dị mma. Unu ekwuzi na ọ dị mma. Ụnụ afọ keje gote. Ọ dị mma bụ it is fine. Mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-ekwu? Mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-ekwu? Kwụsie ike. Adị m mma. Ngwa nọgharịa ka ị na-afụ ihe m na-ede. Nọgharịa. Mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Adị m mma. Chidi. Mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Tụgharịa n'anya. Look at me. N'anya. Tụgharịa. Mmadụ sị gị kedu. Chidi kedu. Ekwuzi na ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma abụghị ya. Ọ dị mma is wrong, ọ bụghị ya. Dị m mma. Chidi kedu. Adị m mma. Ngwa Chidi kedu. Ngwa detuo ya. Detuo. Write it down. Detuo ya. Mba si enweghị m akwụkwọ m. Tara si enweghị m akwụkwọ m. Ka ebe ịtọfọ ya. Ka ekwenu m pen gị, ka mkpịsị ode gị. Chee ka m chọtara gị akwụkwọ. Chizaram. Ngwa detuo aha gị. Chizaram. Ọsịsọ. Detuo aha gị ọsịsọ. Agwụkwara m ifu ọzịkwa. Be careful with it. Agwụna m ifu ọzịkwa. So mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Kwụsie ọnụ okwu ike. Mmadụ sị gị kedu. Chimdike. Adaure. Mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Ọ dị mma bụ gịnị? Mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Adị m mma. Unu adị ekwusi okwu ike. Gịnị bụ aha nwanne gị? Ifi, gịnị bụ aha nwanne gị nwoke? David. Mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Sị adị m mma. Good job, boy. So adị m mma. Mana ikwu I as in lewe na anya o. Na-eto. Are you fine? Ị dị mma? Bụkwa I. Mana ebe a ga-eji ya wee emepụta ya bụ nwere m. Nwere m. Nwere m. Oh Lord. Nwere m. Gịnị bụ nwere m? Kọrọnụ Ọgọchukwu aka. Nsikọ ime. Kọrọnụ Ọgọchukwu aka. Biko, ke unu na-aga ofu ụlọ ụka ka ụlọ akwụkwọ. Unu na Ọgọchukwu yi akwa ofu akwa. Okay, ha enyezie gị ofu. So, nwere m bụ gịnị? I have bụ gịnị? Enwere m. Ugbu a, ị ga-agwa m, when I come to you, you will tell me enwere m, and you mention something in Igbo that you have. Just try to mention something, even if it's an animal, even if it's a food, but make sure you say it in Igbo. If it's a body part, say something you have. I'm going to say gịnị ka ị nwere. You say enwere m, and you tell me something in Igbo. Oh, kọrọnụ ya aka. Okay, so I don't like it when I'm teaching and I say clap and you do not clap. It pisses me off. I need your response. Okay? Kọrọnụ ya aka. David, when I say kọrọnụ ya aka, you clap. Good. So, ọ sị enwere m ụlọ. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Ị nwere anya. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Ekwentị. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Oche. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Si enwere m aka. Good job. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Enwere m. Enwere m onyonyo. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Ị nwere nkịta. Chidi, gịnị ka ị nwere? Ị nwere onyonyo. Gịnị ka ị nwere ifi? Ị nwere nna. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Ị nwere igwe kọmputa. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Enwere m. No, the N is silent actually. Enwere m. Enwere m. No, don't say enwere m. Ị ga-eme enwere m. Any Igbo word. Ị nwere osikapa. Ị nwere ehi. Ị nwere nne. Chizaram, gịnị ka ị nwere? Enwere m nwamba. Good. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Ị nwere ire. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Enwere m mma. Si enwere m mma. Gịnị ka ị nwere? What? Ụmụnne. Si in Yoruba. Gịnị ka ị nwere? Enwere m. Enwere m. Enwere m akwa. Kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Nsifu aka ka ọ n'aka na-eto Chukwu. Kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. So, unu amụtago na I nwere ike ịpụta a ma ọ bụ gịnị? Yes, I nwere ike ịpụta gịnị? Ma ọ bụ. Or in Igbo is ma ọ bụ. Ọzọ, mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Look, this one is making me so excited. And you know, Unyemazi is very detailed. When I'm asking, I'm observing. Olivia is giving. And Akachuku is giving. Better give. Mmadụ sị gị kedu, gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Mmadụ sị gị kedu, ị ga-asị ya ọ dị mma? Ị ga-asị ya ọ dị mma? Ị ga-asị ya ọ dị mma? Gịnị ka ị ga-asị ya? Kọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Nnọchi aha ọzọ anyị nwere bụ nke bụ me ma ọ bụ my. Oge ụfọdụ o nwekwa nke I na-abụkwa I. When it's inside the sentence, ọ nọ n'ime ahịrịokwu, ọ bụ gịnị? Ọ bụ gịnị? Onye ọbụla onye ọbụla ngwa mana o nwere nchọrọ ịgwa unu, geenụ ntị, onye ọbụla gee ntị. Oge ọbụla ị mere ijiri I wee mee ahịrịokwu, you must put an M. anytime you use I, an M must come after the verb. This D, I am. This M here is just complementing this I. So chite I. See, where M. Did I tell you this M has anything? Did I tell you it has a meaning? Did I tell you this M has any meaning? So it's always talking I. Gini ka M a na-eme? Gini ka M a na-eme? Yes, ọ na-esochite gịnị? I. Ọ na-esochite gịnị? I. A ma ọ bụ gịnị? So, me, my, me, me, my, I bụ gịnị? Okay, all right. For instance, you want to say my mother. What is mother? Gịnị bụ mother n'Igbo? Nne. Nne. Now, what is nne? Yes, gịnị bụ my mother? Nne. My mother. My mother bụ gịnị? Wadetuo ya. My dog abụrụ gịnị? Nkịta m. Wadetuo ya, detuo ya, detuo ya. Detuo ya, detuo ya. Ka onye ga-enye anyị ịma atụ ọzọ. More examples using my. Chizaram kwụsị. Zara kwụsị. You will say ụlọ. Wadetuo ya. Ịma atụ ọzọ. Nwambam, detuo ya. Write it down. My cat. Nwambam. Wadetuo nu ya now. My cat. Sarah said my cat. Nwambam. Another example for my. What is food? Gịnị bụ food n'Igbo? Nri. So gịnị bụ nri m? Nnọchi aha ọzọ anyị nwere ka onye ga-agụkwa m nnọchi aha ọzọ. Don't worry, we're beginning better marker. Nnọchi aha ọzọ anyị nwere. You. You bụ gịnị? You bụ gị. You or your bụ gịnị? Gị. Now, when you is at the beginning of the sentence, you at the beginning of the sentence, you will say ble. When you is at the beginning of the sentence, what is it? Onye ọbụla kwee. Onye dị hapụ nwa ahụ. Nọrọ ọdụ. My mother bụ gịnị? Nne m. You, your, gị. Now, my mother bụrụ nne m. Gịnị ga-abụ your mother? Nne gị. Nne gị. Wadetuo ya. Your mother, nne gị, write it down. When you were, see, that's how I teach you. I don't, if you need spelling, you tell me. Write it. Nne gị. Where's your notes? Jesus. Nwa enwe akwụkwọ. Ọ nọ n'ebe a na-enene m. You go home again and leave your note, When you are going today, give me back this note. You not go home with it. You on way home. David, are you writing? They were. David, how old are you? No, they were. I just gave you a note. Where is it? Here is the book I just gave you now. I first start writing that. Onye ọbụla na-ede. More examples a ga-eji nye m ịma atụ ọzọ nke your. Ifi. Want to ask for one? That's your mkpịsị ode. Enwe m mkpịsị ode, enwe m akwụkwọ, enwe m mkpịsị ode. Mama na-achọ pen, biko nyetụ m ya. Mom ga-enye ya. Daalụ. She said, Kamle means let me check. So, Kamle means let me check. Kamle. Ngwala anya, you, your, gị, okonwe nke ifu. Ugozie ya. You, your, abụrụ gịnị? Only Chizaram. You, aburu gini. Gi. And then literally see your dog. Your dog. Nkitagi. You want to tell somebody to hold his dog. You tell the person, Jide nkitagi. Jide nkitagi. You want to tell somebody, take your food. Nrigi, were nrigi. Anyị na-aga. You were buru I. Onye ọbụla, you. At the beginning of the sentence, na mbido ahịrịokwu, I. You want to tell somebody you are beautiful. Kusie ike. Kusie ike. Say it louder. Say it more. Ginibu, you are beautiful. Imarama. Now turn to your neighbor and tell the person, Imarama. Now, if you want to say handsome, Chidi. Chidi, the camera is on you. So if you want to say you are handsome, all you need to add to the Imarama is woke. You want to tell somebody you are handsome, you say Imarama woke. Tell him, Imarama woke. I don't want that. I'm not joking. See, Imarama woke. Imarama. So hand beauty is Mara, Marama, Mara, Ma. Onye ọbụla si Marama. The thing I will do now is to remove you people. I will scatter you and put you among these chairs, and you may not really find it funny, but it's going to make you to concentrate. I may have to, you may push me to do that. You know I respect you a lot, but if you fail to respect me, I'm going to put you where you belong. So behave yourself. I respect even babies a lot. But when I see you take me for granted, I'll let you know that I'm like a mother to you and I'm real. When I'm teaching, learn. Your parents really paid a whole lot. 250,000 is no jokes. They really paid. And some of you here, you are 4, you're 5. That's a whole lot. And they are watching and you're joking. Learn it. Marama is beauty. Now, if it is a girl, Imarama is okay. But when it is a male, you will now say woke. You add woke. You need to learn these things so that you can tell it to your daddy. I mean, this is what makes the world go round. Nam Imarama woke. Your daddy's head will spin. Oh yeah? And you tell your mommy, Nnem Imarama. You know, we women, we like to do letter. No, my letter. Get a letter. Oh, your mom used the word letter, but she doesn't tell you what it means. Oh, yeah, my letter. Letter. See my hand. See my hand now.
Right. Beautification. What's this?
Shakara. Diva. We like to, want to look good. Even the littlest baby wants to look good, look beautiful. So, and your mommy, and you know how detailed women can be when they want to actually be detailed. You know how we look. We take all the whole time.
They will sew. I swear.
You don't need to swear. We take all the whole time to look what? Beautiful.
No matter how expensive it is.
See Adalo sigide sia inye ya. When you're done writing, give her back. Ide sia inye ya. See Adalo. So, when your mommy has taken all the time in the world to look good, and our men are beginning to learn as well. They go to the barber, they have good cuts, good clothes. Steez. He says Steez. What I have to come out. Hey, what? So when your mommy is beautiful, how do you say, mommy, you are beautiful? My mommy. I, you. Name, I. Yes, name Imarama. David, Nolodu. Then if it is your daddy, what do you tell him? You're getting me pissed off. You cannot tell me you're unable to say it. Let me tell you, when you try to form that you can't speak the Igbo language, you're actually making yourself, look less than who you are. Why would you make Igbo language look like it's impossible on your tongue? Listen, I'm talking. When I'm talking, you don't talk back. I'm serious. It's not pride. Like, your name is Neto Chukwu, and you're saying Namarama. You're trying to form that, but then you can say Ronaldinho. You can say what are those footballers' names? Mbappe. Mbappe or whatever. You are correcting me now. What do I need all those names for? Have I finished telling my Chidi? It's not a fizzy, you call it a steez. When you don't know don't worry, by the time you're 21, if you see me anywhere, you hug me. Yes, by the time you're a man, you want to start forming that you're a man, you will see that you will pay any amount. I have students, married men in US I teach. You think it's a joke? When they were teenagers, their parents tried to teach them, Namarama, I can't pronounce the word. You don't know why your parents are paying for you to learn this thing. You think they find it funny? They feel bad you don't even know how to speak it. That's why they like what I'm doing. And then you came here and said, Namarama. You're on your own. Okay. Then, Anya Messigo Nka. Next pronoun. Ezigbo nwa. You win her. Go to tell Auntie Loving to go and give me that. Let me go and bring gift for this girl. I'm not even. This girl is giving me vibe. People are here. Be there now. Let me get water. Wait, I'm coming. Zara, take. You're making me so proud. This is one of our special gifts for the. That's your business. That's for you. You're taking it home. You are contributing. She was contributing at the food, and she's now contributing. And you all know. Yes, but you see, I was about to say next, and she gave me he or she. Oh no. And she was making sentences. Zara, it's for you. When you go home, you show it to daddy and mommy. Continue making me proud. I have more. I have a lot of things. I'll be bringing them out one by one. Don't know me. It's not fair. It will be dark. Don't make noise, though. Don't make noise. The only way to correct it, just be making me proud. I'm taking notes. I have different things to reward different people. So don't tell me now that it's not fair. Just contribute to the class. Speak Igbo. For the person that there's the person with the highest gift in this camp. I've been waiting to hear who will speak Igbo the most in this camp. I'm waiting for that person that will intentionally be speaking Igbo. That person, what I will give the person's mind will be blown. I don't care. I won't tell you. I just want to hear that person making effort. Not when you see Uncle Okezie passing, you not say, Anna Mabia, oh, hey. When we now disappear, you start speaking it. I want to see the person who will intentionally be putting these things to practice. I'm observing. So, because of cheese that I'm saying, he or gini, he mabugini, she, he, she, it's not ya. Opu, onye obula si but not ya. It is him, her, it, bugini, ya, chede. But go and wash your face. Go to the boys' hostel, wash your face and come out. Wash your face. If I look at my phone now, maybe mom is sending me messages. I'm just in the next 5 minutes, eh? You're back, eh? We'll go forward. Chere. So ka anyị jigodi nke a mepụta ime atụ. Ọ he is coming. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Ọ na-abịa, detuo ya. He is coming. Ọ na-abịa. Chizara m detuo. Ọ na-abịa. Na-abịa. Ọ na-abịa. Ma she, ma it. It is backing. Do you know what is backing in Igbo? Backing. Like a dog is back. A backing. Buja. Say buja. Buja. They are bringing this here for us. Buja. So you want to say back. This one is back. Buja. Now backing is na Abuja. Onye ọbụla si na Abuja. How do you say my dog is backing? Detuo ya. Nkịta m na Abuja. Just write it down. Just write it down. Now how do you say your dog? How do you say your dog is backing? Sorry. Yes, nkịta gị. Her dog is backing. Her. Ya. Yes, nkịta ya na-agba ụja. Detuo ya. Nkịta ya na-agba ụja. Detuo ya. I'm sorry. Maka na-abịa. Inu? Maka na-abịa. Okay, detuo. Okay. Anyị emego it, he or she. Mee him, her, it. Ya. This one was at the beginning of the sentence and these ones are inside the sentences. Which other verb pronoun ka anyị nwe? Kedu nnọchi aha ọzọ anyị nwe? Mfichawa. 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 Chere. Mfichawa. Fichawa. Say fichawa. Mfichawa. So Anambra will say fichawa. Imo will say hichawa. Hichawa. So nke ọzọ wee bụrụ ka onye kwuru ya. They. Them. No, there is so. There is different. We are coming to there. But they, them, their. Dear. Dear. This is R. They, them, dear. Gịnị bụ dear? They, them, dear bụ gịnị? Ha. Onye ọbụla si ha. 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 How would you say their mother is coming? Is coming. Bam! Nne ha na-abịa. Detuo ya. Nne ha na-abịa. Nne ha na-abịa. Nne ha na-abịa. You can't see the board. You can ask me for spellings. I'll do that. Mamiri na-akpa gị. Ọganyo. Don't worry, maka na-abịa. Nne ha, you can see na ha is H-A. Nne, N-N-E. Nne ha na-abịa. Okay? Kedu ọzọ? How do you say their food is delicious? What is delicious or sweet? Nri ha tọrọ ụtọ. You got it enough. Nri ha tọrọ ụtọ or nri ha dị ụtọ. So nri ha tọrọ ụtọ. When you want to tell them about our food in Igbo summer camp, you say nri ha tọrọ No, don't say tọrọ ụtọ. Tọrọ ụtọ. Deto. Nri ha tọrọ ụtọ. You can spell it. I'm going to mark notes. I'm a thorough teacher to the bone marrow. I'm a curriculum expert to the bone. I'm going to mark your notes, take a screenshot, send to your parents. I'm that intentional. Very petty teacher. So detailed. Petty means detailed. Back as how. Boja. GBU dash UJA. Boja. GBU dash UJA. Boja. Okay. Onagakwa. Which other pronoun again? We, us, our. Anyị. Nhichawa. Keke bụ mba. Idebe ya. They, them, their, huh? So they are making noise. We need that one in this camp. Can't Waga osiso. Igagi isi chidi na nwunye maazi na-akpọ ya. Ma osiso. Ọ nke a ka ị chọrọ ịga. Ngwaga nka. Yeah, sleep cha. But never, don't mind them. Take them, Ogochukwu. Onye na-eme Don't say me, say Omu. Don't say me in Igbo. When they ask something at home, say Omu. So, cause of we, us, our. Aburu gini? Anyị. Kwuo ya. Onye ọbụla kwuo ya. How do you say our daddy? Make it one word. Nna anyị. Kọrọ na nwunye aka. Yes. We, us, our anyị, our daddy, nna anyị. How do you say our daddy is a good man? Our daddy is a good man. Nna anyị dị mma. Nna anyị dị mma is our daddy is fine. Our daddy is a good man. Nna anyị bụ ezigbo nwoke. Bụ. Write it down. Onye ọbụla. Nna anyị Zara deto. Nna anyị bụ ezigbo nwoke. Nwa is child. Is your daddy a child? Nna anyị bụ ezigbo nwoke. Or you say ezigbo mmadụ. Ezigbo nwoke. Oh, nwoke is a good man, but if you want to say it's a good person, person is mmadụ. Write it to mmadụ is person. Write it is still part of the verb. Mmadụ, person. So let's write the English first. Nna anyị bụ ezigbo mmadụ. If you want to say you are a good person, how would you say it? Not you at the beginning. Koroniaka. You are a good person. Ibu. Ezigbo mmadụ. So, person, I'm sincerely sorry this thing isn't working. Person. Hey, Chimoma. Oh Lord. Mmadụ. Mmadụ is double M-A-D-U. That is mmadụ. We're getting the marker, please. Honestly. Person, but you know the spelling now. You're smart. Person, P-E-R-S-O-N. So, mmadụ, A-D-A, mmadụ. Ado. There's a U. Mado. So, what? Kedu pronoun ọzọ anyị nwe? Kedu pronoun ọzọ? Nnọchi aha ọzọ anyị nwe? Kedu nnọchi aha ọzọ anyị nwe? Ngwa ka anyị gụgodi nke anyị dere ede. Let's look at the verbs we've done so far. Let's read together. 1, 2, go. Don't read the examples, just the pronouns. Wabido, look into your notes. I, a, maọbụ, e. Ọzọ, 1 to go. I, a, maọbụ, e. Me, my, I. Nke ọzọ. You, your, gị, he. No, before you are he, she, it. Yes.
No,
Him.
it's just he, she, and then him.
He, she, it. I put an it now. He.
No, you put it.
No, now you know some else. I said you can say it is backing. On a boja, it is backing. When the it is at the beginning of the sentence, it is or. When the it is inside the sentence, it is ya. She took it, or were ya. She saw it, or hore ya. I have it, ya. So it appears in the or, in the he, she, it, and also appears in the him, her, his. Him, her, his, it. Him, her, his, and it, yeah. Then, what other pronoun? I now said person. Yes, they, them, their, beginning, her, not her, her. We, us, our, Anyi, and our daddy is called what? How do you say greetings to our father? Our father, greetings. What is greetings in Igbo? Ndewo. Call your daddy first. Ndewo nna anyị, ma ọ bụ gị si nna anyị ndewo. Yes, when you say, oh, our daddy, you're welcome. Nna anyị no, nna anyị ndewo. What of our mommy? Greetings. How do you say our mommy? Greetings. Nne anyị ndewo. Ka anyị kwuo ya. Ifi, have we not had enough fracas in this camp? Are you not tired yet? Should we fight more? You are tired of my issues. I'm saying, are you not tired of my calling you all the time? Cooperate, that's what I'm trying to say. Cooperate, read. This is Sakaraya Z. This is Sakaraya Z. And you can't speak Igbo. Then she should better speak it. If not, I'll say, you know me, better speak out, read, or you leave. Because when you're not saying, others will be following you. That's why, if you don't want to copy, I'll say just leave. So that you will not. How do we say our daddy? Greetings. Do it well now. I want to go. Oh, anyị na-amụta. Say it. Anyị na-amụta. Daalụ, ndewo. All right. So, ka anyị na-aga aga. You won't do that. You won't try it. So, person is mad. Gịnị bụ person? Did you write this for Uderenka? Person, mad. What other pronouns do we have? Here, like here, right now. Here, Aduri, are you writing? You're not saying what you're meant to say. Mommy is watching. You saw the message she sent yesterday. So here, Bogini. Here, Eba, like you're saying Eba, but you not call it Eba. You say Eba. Eba. Then there will be what? Dear. Well, ebe ahụ. Ebe ahụ. Everybody will see ebe ahụ. EBE, then you give a space AHU. Ebe ahụ. Here bụ gịnị? Here bụ gịnị? Ebe a. Ebe a. Ebe a. Ebe a. There bụ gịnị? Ebe ahụ. Now I want to teach you some possessive pronouns like mine, yours. Give me mine. Take yours. Leave his. Bring ours. Are you ready now? I will mark everybody's notes. I said I'm a detailed teacher. I'm not even joking. I will mark it. After marking, I will screenshot it, chakam, and send to your parents. That's me. So that they will see, oh, I will now look for the person whose note is completely complete. I will now say, this is all we did today. Dear parents, now I'm going to forward you your child's note privately. Compare it to what you have in the general parents forum. After that, your parents will start calling you. Why are you not writing? Oh, hey, so that's what you're doing. You think I'll be the one to talk? Your parents will do their talking by themselves. Okay. Now, if you're writing, be confident. That's not my business. Your parents will see the person's own that has been. I'll mark everybody's notes. I will snap the best. Then I will now say, dear parents, this is, and the person has been writing all our examples. So I'm even seeing the person's note I may use. She just writing all the examples. So I will now tell your parents, I'll say, you are kicking me. Okay. Dear parents, this is all we did today on pronouns. I will send you your children's notes privately. Kindly compare to know if they are cooperating in class or they are being mischievous. Mischievous means you're not being nice, you're being naughty.
But I'm nice.
I'm persuading them to say that you are mischievous for not writing. So if you don't want to, you don't have a problem. Write your notes now. That anything I say is not your business. A free conscience, a clear conscience fears no accusation. Your own is to make sure that you write. Whatever Wunyemasi constructs as a sentence is no longer your business. You will even be proud of yourself. You will say, hey, okay, this person wrote this. Okay, let me check my child's note. Hello, I'm proud of you. You are wonderful. Awesome. And the person's note I'm going to use to do this, I will write the person's name. Emilia okay. So that your daddy, the person's father or mother will feel what? We feel what? Proud. I said that you don't know me, Unyemazi. No matter what, they are proud of you. Wait until you don't write your notes. Just wait until they finish. You know, they paid me big money and you are not writing. No matter what, your money, they're not proud of you. Wait till they see that you're not writing. Then you come and tell me you are my friend. Okay. Oh, better for you. Okay, can you cause? Okay. Unhichawa. Okay, kaina aga. So I want to teach you the possessives, so that you can always take your say, leave my own, leave mine alone. So mine is nkem. Onye obula si nkem. Nkem. Detuo ya. Mine. Nkem. Then your okay, can I jiri nkem mepụta ahịrịokwu? Who can give me an example? Ngwa. Say kwuo ya n'Igbo. Chizam say kwuo ya n'Igbo. Say it in Igbo. Say you have to say it in Igbo. It's kwuo ya n'Igbo. Good. Kwuo ya n'Igbo. Bugatti ahụ. Kwuo ya. Bugatti ahụ. Kwuo ya. Come see. That is ahụ. So Bugatti ahụ. Bụ nke m. Yeah. Yes. That's that's Ballon d'Or, right? That is ahu. Say ahu. AHU ahu. Say it again. But start from Ballon d'Or. Boom. Nkịta ahụ bụ nke m.
World Cup nke m.
No, you say World Cup ahụ bụ nke m. Who told you? How old is he? He will play. You don't know if he will play football. Yes. Let me tell you, one of my students in UK actually plays for Manchester, for Liverpool. You don't say that.
I've been in UK.
Were you there? I'm listening. Oh, Elijah. You wanted to give an example. Family. What do you want to say in Igbo? Tell me. Ezinụlọ m. Just want to say my family. Ezinụlọ m nwere Bugatti. Ihe na-agụ unu Bugatti na-agụ. Okay, mine, Nkem. Okay, so and if you want to say this dog is mine, this is what is dog? Guinea dog. So how do you say this dog? Close your mouth.
This dog is mine.
Yes. No, this Nkita. You just draw it. If you want to say this, it's Nkita. Yes, Nkita bunkem. This food is mine. This food is mine. Yeah, it's so simple. Just draw the Nria, but don't draw it so obvious. Nria bunkem. Let's go. Nria bunkem. So now yours is Nkegi. Yours Bugini. Yours Bugini. Nkegi. How do you say give me yours? Give, please no. Give is nyem. No, it's correct. Nkegi. Nyamu Nkegi. When you want to take your mommy something, say, how do you say, mommy, give me yours? Say, mommy, please give me yours. No, please. Nnembiko nyemu Nkegi. You can also tell that to your sister. Tell it to your sister. Call her name and say, give me yours. You have to say Biko because you know it's not your own. Nkegi. Then Diaz is Nkeha. Diaz. Diaz is what? All you need to do is just be putting Nke. Oh, putting Mpotu. Nkeha. Then ours abulugini. Ours abulugini. Nke anyị. Onye ọbụla sị nke anyị. Now we have this. This is either Nka. Nka. Yes. Nka. Now that is nke ahụ. This nke a. Onye ọbụla dee ya this nke a. Why will I say something you won't repeat? Maka gịnị? This nke a. That nke ahụ. This, nke a. That, nke ahụ. Chidi, did you know what I said I would do? Ask him now. I will take the note of the person that writes. I will mark everybody's note. Who has the fullest note? I will snap it and put in the parents' forum. Then I will snap everybody's note and send to everybody's parents and tell parents to compare. Compare to the one in the parents' forum. So you better write your note. So when we see that I'm doing my work. This, nke a, nke a. That, nke ahụ. How do you say, give me this? Nye m nke a. You will not say nke a. Just say nye m nke a. How do you say, take this? Don't put M at the end. Were nke a. Don't say nke a. Were nke a. Then that is nke ahụ. How do you say, take, give me this? Take that. This is not you. I'm very unpredictable. I'm unpredictable, kind of. I don't even know how to predict myself. This, nke, that, nke ahụ. What do you want? So you want to say, give me this. You say, were. You say, nye m nke a, were nke ahụ. Okay? Detu. Uncle Kezi, I think it's time to have some rest. Let me just be sure. See, let me just tell you, it's still for your good. Do you know that in my class, when I want to teach, you pay in dollars? Like for one class, you pay more than $10. And it's online, for real. I'm not joking. More than 10 for one class. Yes, you pay more than $10. Like you're a teenager, right? For 1 month, you pay me $50 for 1 month, and you pay me for 4 months at the same time. So you pay me $200. So when you see me teaching, you better appreciate it. Norodo. So hold on. I want us to. Chere, Norodo now. Sit. Let me know. Let me call the camp coordinator. Okay, Zie. Okay, let's recap, everybody, from the beginning. What's pronoun called in Igbo? Gini ka na-akpọ pronoun in Igbo? Nnọchiaha. Gini bụ I? Gini bụ me, my, I? You, your. You at the beginning of the sentence. He, she, it. Him, her, his, it. They, them, their. We, us, our. Person. Madu. Now, people. Ndị mmadụ. Okay. Ndị, just put ndị. Say biko supe ya. If you want to say please spell it, say biko supe ya. Ndị mmadụ. This is for people. Ndị mmadụ. Say when you mazindo. You want to say be careful, you say gbado anya. Right? You obodo na-ekwu detuo ya, write it down. Okay, are we good? And let you go. Now, today we are not going to have Usekwu Igbo. What time is it? The Usekwu Igbo. Chere. We're going to take a 20 minutes break. 20 minutes break, and we come back. 20 minutes break and we come back. Usekwu Igbo today is not going to hold. We're doing this continuously. Onyobula, that's okay. Go and rest. Rest. 20 minutes. What time is it now? Oh God, you are our timekeeper. Can I trust you, girl?
What time is it?
Oh God, can I trust you?
This break time was supposed to be
Wait, leave anything now. Oh God, can I trust you? What time is it?
11:30.
Yes, 11:30.
By 12.
So let's come back by 12. Let's have a 30 minutes break. Everybody.
Oh yeah. Oh, thank you.
Sim Dalo. I don't want to remind you, you come back this time.